back with you today. I'm here today to draw the winner of our May giveaway for the month of May 2024. So if you're new to our channel, basically we have a giveaway each month. We pick a video at random from the previous month, and all of the comments on that video go into the draw to win a prize. Prizes do vary from month to month, and this month our prizes are going to be 5 $10 digital gift vouchers to purchase digital product from our shop. The video that I have chosen for this month was Mum's Grungy or Make Grungy Cards Fast video. So there were 70 comments on that video. So let's go ahead and pick our first winner. Our first winner is Anya Hart. Our second winner is Junk Is My Jam. Our third winner is Tammy McHenry 3675. Our fourth winner is Pamela, and I'm not even going to try and pronounce that because I know I'll butcher it. And our last winner today is Crafted by Christy Shop. So congratulations, you will find our email address in the description box below. If you could shoot us an email, we will organise to get you your $10 digital gift voucher for digital product in our shop. And to everybody else, thank you so much for continuing to support our channel by commenting and liking. It really does help. Don't worry if you didn't win this time, there'll always be another chance next month. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you again next time. Bye.